Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase product bundling strategies with World Market Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your target audience to understand their preferences and behaviors. Identify products in your inventory that complement each other and can be packaged together. Analyze past sales data to find items that have been frequently purchased together. Create appealing bundles that offer value to customers, ensuring the combined price is lower than buying items individually. Design attractive packaging that highlights the uniqueness of the bundle. Use engaging visuals and descriptions to showcase the bundled products on your website and marketing materials. Consider seasonal themes or specific occasions to create limited-time bundles that can boost sales. Test different pricing strategies and bundle configurations to see what resonates best with your customers. Gather feedback from customers about the bundles to refine and improve them over time. Promote your bundles through multiple channels, including social media, email marketing, and in-store displays. Monitor the performance of your product bundles regularly to adjust your strategies as needed. Stay updated on market trends and competitor offerings to ensure your bundles remain relevant and desirable. Leverage partnerships with local artisans or suppliers to create exclusive bundles that stand out in the market. Train your sales team to effectively communicate the benefits of these bundles to potential customers. Use customer testimonials and success stories to build credibility for your product bundling strategies. Review your bundling approach periodically to identify new opportunities for growth and improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.